Introduction. What will you learn today? Welcome to English with Altaf. In today's video, we'll explore how you can express your thoughts clearly and confidently in perfect English. Many learners feel stuck when they want to say something but can't find the right words. If you've ever struggled to speak your mind in English or felt unsure about whether you're saying things the right way, this lesson is for you. We'll look at simple and effective strategies to help you speak more fluently and express your ideas the way you truly want to. 1. Why is it hard to express thoughts in English? Before we fix the problem, we need to understand it. Many English learners think in their native language and then try to translate word for word into English. This slows you down and often results in awkward or incorrect sentences. For example, you might want to say, "I was very happy to see my friend after a long time," but instead you say something like, "I see friend after long time, I feel happy." Even though the meaning is clear, the sentence is not natural. This happens because your brain is still using your native language as a base. To express your thoughts in perfect English, you need to think in English too. 2. Think in English. Start small and simple. Start by training your brain to think in English. This doesn't happen overnight, but it gets easier with practice. Begin with your everyday thoughts. When you wake up, describe what you're doing in English. For example, "I'm brushing my teeth. Now I'm making tea. I have a meeting at 10. Don't worry about making complex sentences. The goal is to get used to using English inside your mind. The more you practice this, the more natural it becomes. 3. Learn useful phrases, not just words. To express yourself smoothly, you need to learn common phrases and sentence patterns. Instead of learning single words like happy, sad, or angry, learn phrases like, "I was thrilled to hear that. It made me feel a bit down. I couldn't believe what just happened." These ready-to-use expressions will help you sound more fluent and natural. When you learn phrases, your mind doesn't have to build sentences from scratch every time you speak. 4. Speak every day, even if you're alone. One powerful way to improve your spoken English is by talking to yourself. Yes, it may feel strange at first, but it really works. Pick a topic and speak about it for 2 to 5 minutes. Here are some easy topics. What did you do yesterday? What are your plans for the weekend? Describe your favorite movie. You don't need an audience. The aim is to develop the habit of expressing your thoughts in English clearly and comfortably. 5. Record yourself and listen back. When you record yourself speaking, you get a chance to hear your pronunciation, sentence structure, and fluency. This gives you the opportunity to identify areas that need improvement. You might notice that you use the same words too often, or that your sentences are too short. Listening to yourself helps you correct these problems. Over time, you'll start noticing real improvement in your speaking ability. 6. Read and listen a lot. Good speaking comes from good listening and reading. When you listen to English through podcasts, YouTube videos, interviews, or movies, you hear how native speakers express themselves. Pay attention to how they form sentences. I'm not sure how to say this, but the point I'm trying to make is, from my perspective, when you read English articles or books, notice the sentence structure and vocabulary. Then try to use those expressions in your own conversations. 7. Expand your vocabulary the smart way. Learning more words is helpful, but only if you know how to use them. Choose 5 to 10 new words each week and make your own sentences with them. Don't just memorize definitions. Practice them in real situations. For example, if you learn the word convince, try using it like this. I tried to convince my friend to join the gym. She convinced me to take the job offer. The more you practice using new words in context, the easier it becomes to express your ideas clearly. 8. Practice speaking with others. If possible, find a language partner or join a conversation group. Speaking with real people helps you become more confident. It also teaches you how to respond quickly and naturally in English. You can also ask your partner to correct your mistakes. This way, you learn faster and avoid repeating errors. If you can't find a speaking partner in person, you can use online platforms to connect with other English learners. 9. Use thought connectors to sound natural. When we speak, we often use words or phrases to connect ideas. These are called thought connectors or linking words. They help your speech flow more naturally. Some examples. To add an idea. Also, in addition, furthermore, to give an example. For instance, such as like, to show contrast. However, but, on the other hand. To conclude, in conclusion, finally, to sum up. Using these connectors makes your speech more organized and easy to follow. 10. Be patient and consistent. Finally, remember that learning to express your thoughts in perfect English takes time. Don't expect perfection overnight. You'll make mistakes, but each mistake is a step toward improvement. Consistency is more important than speed. If you practice regularly, even for just 15 minutes a day, you will see progress. Be kind to yourself and celebrate small victories. Every sentence you speak is a step closer to fluency. Conclusion: what have we learned today? In this video, we learned how to express thoughts in perfect English through practical methods. We discussed the importance of thinking in English, using common phrases, speaking daily, listening and reading often, and practicing with others. We also explored ways to build your vocabulary and improve your fluency by using thought connectors and recording yourself. The most important thing to remember is this: expressing your thoughts in English is a skill, and like any other skill, it gets better with regular practice and patience. Thank you for watching English with Altaf. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video.